Now for the sports. Good evening, I'm Fling with them Pena with sports. And I started boxing as junior middle welterweight title holder Broad Forearm became the holder of that title last night after he thumped down a horse and 4 cows in the title fight between the Brute and the Beasts. And still on boxing, as 2 people have been chosen to be suspended from a boxing plant after they started boxing down each other, forcing the closure of the boxing plant. Meanwhile, on now to tennis, the game at Mona was blown off today without even a ball being bowled because of the short... No, this should have been basketball. The game at Mona was blown off without even a ball being bowled because of the shortage of baskets to make the balls. Meanwhile, cricket was marred by violence today after ace batsman Florence Goh was given out when it was discovered that he went onto the field of play with a no ball in his hand. On now to ice hockey. Snow skating comes to Jamaica next summer, as one company has already agreed to import over 20,000 tons of snow for that purpose. Finally, on now to hockey. Yes, they will poison you if you pick them before they are ripe. That's it from the Earth of Sports for tonight. Next sports time when sports puts on its brief at 10:30. Please stand by for the weather report coming up very shortly.